with another video. Surprised to see me like this? Yes, I did this to myself. Okay, I did this to myself. You know, sometimes when you're about to sleep, you know, it's night time, you want to sleep, you don't have this energy or this urge or this need to braid or twist your hair. You just go to sleep like this and you wake up with your hair matted up. So what do you do next? Because my hair, it don't move. Look, it don't move. My hair, it's not moving. What to do? I have to go out and I don't know what to do. Okay, so here right now there's one solution only to solve this problem. All you need is water in a water bottle, or water in a water bottle. Guys, water is your lifesaver. Water is your best friend. You don't need to do much. All you have to do is to sprinkle a little bit, not a little bit, but sprinkle some on your hair to make it softer, to make it looser, in order for you to either comb it, finger detangle it, or just put it in a high puff, and there you have it. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. Stay tuned. Oh, you still here? Well, then let's get right into the video. So for all those who don't know me, my name is Bibi, just Bibi, and I'm going to show you how to rescue this hair from its bondage. Okay, so first thing first, with the water bottle, I sprinkle some on my hair like a plant. You have to see your hair like a plant that you watering it. So I just water my hair, okay, like pium pium pium, like a plant, to make it looser, to loosen in the curls. Okay, you have to be very generous with it, because if you are in a hurry, this is a quick fix up. With the hair, as you can see, guys, the hair is matted up. Look, what's all this? You just have to sprinkle water. You have to water your hair like a plant, and you don't have to be scared in doing so. Always wondered why doesn't your hair grow, or why is it at one stage? It's because of how you treat your hair. You need to be kind with it, gentle as always. You see, from that stage to this, I think it's softer enough to my liking. Obviously, if you are not satisfied with it, you can add more water to your satisfaction. But to me, I think it's all right because I'm not trying to wet all my hair. I'm not trying to make it damp. I just want it to be looser in order for me to style it. Okay, so this is a hair that was styled before, a day before that. I took out the twist to go out to. I slept with it, and this will happen. Therefore, there's already moisturizer in it. But after I have watered it and I want to add more moisturizer, I can do that. So guys, if you want to add more moisturizer to your hair, you can definitely do that. Let me show you a quick view of how the hair is right now. This is it. You see, it's much looser, and the curls look, they're able to, you see how it is. I'm going to show you from the back how it's looser. You see, and everyone's hair is different, obviously. So if your hair is more tight, you might need more water for it, but if it's looser, you can, to your satisfaction as you want. So with me being satisfied with it, I'll then go with a hair food. There you have it, a hair food to put a little bit in order to make it softer, to moisturize it. But if you don't have it, you can use any moisturizing cream you have, and I'll show you in another video the creams that I use. Most of the creams that I use on my hair. Okay, so this is me taking a little bit of it. Yeah, I'll place it on my palm like this. Okay, so here I have it. Yeah, since my hair was already moisturized yesterday, I'm not going to put a lot on it. I'm going to touch it up like this. And guys, you must be gentle with your hair. Remember, always be gentle with it. This is my method. This is how I do it. I try to pull it out. And this is how I make my hair, like I make the curls looser, or I release it from its bondage. And if you're someone who rocks fro, you can just rock it like this and go. But if you want to put it in a ponytail, I'm going to show you right now how I do it. But before, I'm going to give you a quick view of how the hair is right now. So I'm going to do a plus where I'm going to style the hair and show you guys how I do it. First off, with this, I try not to comb it because I'm not detangling my hair. You can do this without detangling it. So if you want to detangle your hair, obviously you can go ahead to detangle it. But I recommend with a wide tooth comb. What I do is sometimes I just use a brush to comb it up to smoothen the surface, because I'm going to put it in a high puff, and this is like high puff on wet hair. I'm going to put it in a high puff, but it's on wet hair. And there are types of high puff because your high puff can be on dry hair or wet hair, but this is wet hair. So if your hair is shorter, it might come out a little bit shorter, but if it's longer, if you have longer hair, then your fro is going to be bigger. So with shorter hair, you shouldn't be discouraged if your fro doesn't come how you expect it to come, because it depends on the length of your hair. You just have to, we all have to love our hair and embrace the length of it, and work towards a longer hair. So work towards a healthier journey. So this tutorial is about healthy hair and how to, make it, help it grow and flourish like a plant. So then I use this is a DIY. It's not a shoelace, okay? So is this belt from the trousers, the pants that we have. So this is what I do next. It depends. You can go from the back or from the front. I think normally I go, because if you do it from the back, it depends on how you want your puff. If you want your puff a little bit in front, you can do it from the back. If you want it a little bit at the back or in the middle, do it from the front. So I think I'll do it from the front. Okay, so thank you for sticking with me. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video.